How to add and use multiple X accounts on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add and use multiple X accounts on mobile. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and search for X application there and make sure the application is updated to its latest version. Now go ahead and open the application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen. Now if you have previously added an account to the X application, then you will see the profile icon of your account on the top. You can simply tap on that and you will be led to your other profile. You can also tap on the three dots you see on the top. If you tap on that, then you can switch your account from there to, and if you want to create a new account, tap on the create a new account option and follow the on-screen instructions to create the account and further add it to your Twitter accounts. And if you want to add an existing account, then tap on the add an existing account option and further enter your login credentials, and with this the account will be added. So this is how you can add and use multiple X or Twitter accounts on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.